The Lost Ice Slide. On the cold ocean island, there lived a tiny penguin named Puki. Every morning, he would slide down the ice with his friends, learn to catch fish, and watch the snowflakes, dreaming of adventures. But one morning, Puki realized that his favorite ice slide was gone. "This is impossible. It was right here yesterday," he thought. He rushed to slide down, but there was nothing left to slide on. With wide eyes, Puki touched the ground. The spot that should have been cold and slippery was now just wet ice. It had melted. Cumber lop. He jumped into the water and hurried to find his best friend, Momo. "Momo, our big ice slide is gone. Where did they take it?" Momo shook his head sadly. "I don't know, Puki, but the big penguins say the ice is melting." Puki's heart pounded. Ice could melt? He ran straight to his mother. "Mom, where is our ice slide?" His mother wrapped him in a warm hug and explained gently, "My dear, the weather is getting warmer. The ice is melting and disappearing. It's not as cold as it used to be." Puki's mind swirled with confusion. Why would the ice melt? Then suddenly an idea popped into his head. "Maybe the wise old whale can help us." Puki and his friends set off on their journey to the deep waters where the wise whale lived. Pata pata! Their tiny wings flapped as they waddled forward. Soon they reached a huge piece of ice. Hop! They jumped onto it and carefully walked across. But suddenly, crack! The ice cracked beneath them. "Ah, be careful!" Puki shouted. They held on tight and made little jumps to cross safely. Finally, they arrived at the edge of the deep ocean. The water was dark blue and stretched endlessly. Then suddenly, goom! A massive splash burst from the water, and a huge shadow emerged from below. Slowly, the wise old whale rose above the surface and looked down at them with kind, curious eyes. "Who is coming to visit me?" he rumbled. Puki bravely stepped forward. "Our ice slide has disappeared, wise whale. My mum says the ice is melting, but why?" The whale took a deep, slow breath and then exhaled a huge mist of water into the sky. "This world is our home, little penguins, but humans are spreading too much smoke and pollution. This warms the air and that causes the ice to melt." Puki's eyes grew wide. He turned to his friends. "Then we have to tell the humans. We must let them know they need to protect our home." All the penguins formed a big circle and began to sing loudly. "Our home is melting. Hear our call. The ice is vanishing. Save us all." Their voices echoed across the ice. Then a group of seals joined them. "The ice is our home too," they sang. Above, seagulls circled in the sky. "We all share this world," they called. From the deep waters, fish leaped up. "We are here too," they splashed. Their song was so loud and powerful that a nearby research ship heard them. Scientists on board looked through their binoculars and realized that the penguins' home was melting away. They quickly spread the news to the world. When people heard this, many started looking for new ways to protect nature. And Puki, knowing he had taken one step towards saving the planet, found new games to play. But now he understood one important thing. The best way to protect our home is to take care of nature. The end.